Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So this is live price prediction of Stellar XLM coin, and absolutely from previous last 24-hour, my brother, all cryptocurrencies market is wake up and starting moving upward. So Stellar XLM is also one of them, my brother, but Stellar is excellent, my brother, pumps up from especially in last 4 hour. So therefore, I really, my friend, I can't expect this, my brother, for Stellar XLM, but my brother, when I see the last 4 hour change occur, so I am really shocked, and I understand to upcoming time Stellar XLM will be give us a 20% profit. So if they will give you 20% profit, so congratulations, my brothers, to $1 is not impossible, my brother, at the end of month. 20% profit just in only needed after, my friend, just in only 20 days they will give you $1. I think this is very high target, but this is possible if they will give you 20% profit. So my brother, as in last 24 hour, like last 24 hour, my brother, if they will give you a profit, so this is possible to they will give you 20% profit. But if they will fail down, they will my friend, give you 10% profit. So this is impossible, my friend. So they will give you $1. They will just only give you, my friend, half $. But if they will give you 5% profit, so they will give you 0.3 $. And continuously, my friend, 0.3 plus something, my friend, they will give you a profit. Otherwise, my brother, you need, my brothers, to hold. And absolutely, if you have any plan to invest more, so this is very good chance, my brothers, so you will be get a profit in those days, because the price is very cheap now. And day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, the price is increasing. So I know to upcoming time they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, Stellar XLM holder. Hope you understand something new in this video, and my prediction is going to be positive now. What's your prediction? Share it in a comment box. And this is, my friend, my personal experience I will share you, so please research personally before you take any decision. Allah Hafiz, take care.